Hey guys, it's April 6th, 2021, roughly 8:45 Eastern. So let's take a look at how NNDM traded today. So NNDM today, or in the last couple of days, it's kind of been ranging between the $8 mark and about 8.50 for the last several days. So not really much has been going on. The volume's been pretty low, with the average volume being 29 million. Today's volume has only been 12.5, so it's definitely less than half. There's definitely something strange in the market going on as the Nasdaq is recovering, but the tech stocks aren't. So let's see actually how the Nasdaq went today. So Nasdaq today actually been kind of whipsawing everywhere. Pretty much closed a little higher than what it opened at. And let's look at now dimension. So it opened here, roughly around 809, and closed at 823. So it closed a little higher, but not much is going on. As we can see, there's no real new news. There's been kind of news about like which companies are within the 3D printing sector, and nothing really of a major catalyst to now to mention. But so as far as the technicals go, that's pretty much what we can really go on because there's no fundamental news. And the market's been really strange, so I would take this as a grain of salt because as you guys know, it follows what the overall market's doing at this moment. But at least the technicals look pretty good. The signal is pretty much at the baseline, and it's headed towards the baseline, or going above it, and the that's MACD, and the RSI is at 50. So it's at fair value on the 5-minute scale, and on the 1 hour scale, the MACD is tending going towards the baseline. Same with the signal, and the RSI is at 50. So we're still bouncing around here with these. With this range around the 8 to 850. So let's see if tomorrow can bring in some volume and start writing some of these can lines up. Not really much can be said because of the strange market effects. And looking at a daily time frame, as you can see here, the MACD and the signal is roughly at a flat pace since March 12th. So not really much is going on with the stock. We're just waiting on some catalysts, either the announcement of the results for the test with the RF in space, how it withstood radiation effects, or the purchase of a company, or purchase of a LDM system. Those are going to be the major catalysts. I don't expect them to have much in sales, considering that the pandemic is still going on. And if we did hear, if there was one, we would definitely hear of it. So the RSI is pretty low on the daily, so we're kind of just waiting on those kind of items to be announced. Other than that, we're really just in the mercy of the market itself. So hang in there, guys. It's definitely a weird market right now. Tech is definitely not recuperating as we think it should. But my guess is that at some point, this stuff is just gonna blast off. And it seems like right now is just a major, there's just consolidation occurring, and probably with tomorrow, we're going to be out of the range of some of these GAN angles that have been formed for a long time. So we'll see how tomorrow goes, and see if there is any good effects with us just kind of just over time just getting away from these GAN angles. Other than that, guys, that's pretty much it. There's nothing really much can be said other than hold tight. NNDM is definitely a solid company. However, we are waiting on certain things, and Yoav Stern indicated that he is not willing to overpay for a company acquisition with the way the SPACs are currently being positioned and funded. That's it. Other than that, guys, happy trading and talk to you tomorrow. Bye.